Today I will take you through search of the literature for your literature review. The literature review requires you to search for literature which are very relevant to the topic of the study. It requires that the articles selected are relevant and not outdated or very old. While there are many search engines or databases available to search for relevant literature, I would probably discuss on the use of Google Scholar today. Google Scholar, I would say, provides much relevant article which you may require. And when you use the Google Scholar, you have to firstly get to the Google Scholar, and suppose I'm going to look at formative assessment. So I'm going to type formative assessment. And another name for formative assessment is assessment for learning. So I can type assessment for learning as well. If there is any other word that you wish to search, you can also type that over here. So once you are done, you go to search, and you will find that there are a number of articles that appear on formative assessment or assessment for learning. And while there are many new, there are some very old articles as well. Like if you look at the first one, it was published in 1998. The second one was in 2005. So one of the best reasons for using Google Scholar is that you can sort it by the date, and you can use the custom range. If I wish to get the articles, say for example, from 2010 till 2020, I will type 2010 to 2020 and search for all the articles that were published from 2010 till now. So now you can see that there are so many articles which are published from 2010 to 2020. And as I go over the articles, I may be able to view whether they have been published in PDF or not. For those which have been published on PDF, you can directly click and download them. Otherwise, what you could do is you can go to the other search engines or the university databases and search for those articles. The other important thing I must tell you is you can look at the number of people that cited this article. Say for example, the first one you can see is the formative assessment. Assessment is for self-regulated learning was cited by 520 other people. So what you do, you can look at the citations within a text. So you will click, and then you have to click search within the citing articles, and then again you can type formative assessment, and whatever you are going to search, you type and search within those articles, and it will give you more articles. As it is, you will find that some of them are presented in PDF, the others are not available in PDF. As I earlier stated, you can go back to your university database and search for those which are not available on the Google Scholar, but those which are in PDF can be viewed accordingly. I must thank you for your time. Thank you so much.